friends, today I'm going to review about Swipe W74 Eco tablet which I bought at 3300 rupees 2 months ago from Snapdeal, and it's a good buy I guess, and I have been using it for 2 months and I haven't faced any problem yet with this tablet. And we can use two SIM card in this, but it's a mini SIM, not a micro SIM, and it can be the memory can be expanded up to 32 GB. I have used 16 GB of SD card, and in the internal storage we got 4 GB, means 8 GB of internal storage, but we only get 4 GB of internal storage available. And let me check the Android version of this tablet, and the Android version is Lollipop. So we are getting Lollipop out of the box. And about the SIM card, we get dual SIM. I have used only one SIM in the SIM slot 2, and let me show you the micro SD card and the slot and the SIM card slots. Here, as you can see the gap, here you have to open here. As you can see, it's I have a micro SIM, so I have used micro SIM in this, but it's a mini SIM compatible, so you can use dual SIM in here and a micro SD card here. Let me put this on and let me show you around. It has a VGA quality camera, front facing camera, and on the left side we got nothing, and on the back side it looks like a metal, but it's a plastic. And here we got a speaker grill, and here we got a 2 megapixel camera and a flash with a USB port, and headphone jack. And here on the right side we got a volume rocker up and down button, and a power button and lock key, and here is the reset button. So whenever you have tablet stuck, you can simply press here and it will simply reset your tablet. So, and it's a 7 screen, and it doesn't have any Gorilla Glass display or any kind of protection, so you have to use any anti protection, screen guard, something like that. And let me show you the video quality of this tablet. As you can see, the video quality is good, but it's not good as the high range tablets. But the viewing angles, as I will show you, the viewing angles are not so great in this tablet, but it's ideal for watching movies and reading stuffs. It's a good tablet. If you want to watch video in this tablet, it's a good tablet, but with many people you can't watch the video because the viewing angles are very bad. And let me get out of this. Now I will show you the camera quality. And here I have my Nokia Lumia 620, as you can see. Now let me take a picture of this phone. Here I'm going to open the camera. As you can see, I'm going to press button, and now I'm going to activate the front facing camera. For that you have to use this. As you can see, the front facing camera is not that great, as well as the back camera is also not that great, as you can see. Let me zoom it in. It's not even good for sharing at social media. It's a bad camera, but what can you expect at the price of 3300? You can't expect a camera quality of iPhone in a 3,300 rupees. So you have to go on with it, and you got YouTube and Wi-Fi and everything, so you're ready to go every time. And the battery capability, I can watch at least 2 movies in a single go. Now when my battery is 92 percentage, I saw 2 movies, and without stopping, and it lasted for 2 movies, and after 2 movies it came back to like 12 percentage from 92 percentage. And this is the tablet review. I hope you like my review. Please do like and comment. If you do like my video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.